we
What is your favorite subject? In school, what is your favorite subject?
I think my favorite subjects is mm, I think it's PE.
PE, physical education, is that correct?
Yes.
Oh, do you also have PE in Vietnam? Okay, what about English?
English.
Do you like
Uh,
English?
yes.
Okay. How about science?
Science.
Not so so?
Mm,
Because me, I don't like science.
um,
You like science? Yes?
um, and yeah.
Okay, so let's move forward. Okay, Lynn, what was our lesson last time?
Last time we learned about element.
Yes, we learned about elements. So what is elements?
Elements is a material that can be broken down into other materials.
Okay, very good. So, what are those objects are made of what particles or tiny particles? What are those particles? It's
Mm,
called
for atoms.
very good. It's atoms. Okay, so what are the two categories of elements or that what do you call this part of elements? We have
Um,
two.
uh,
Okay, what? Okay, Lynn. What are the two parts of elements?
two parts of element is mm,
What are the two parts of elements?
is metal,
Yes, very good. The metal and
metal and non-metal.
very good, Lynn. The metal and non-metals. Okay. What do you call, or it is usually solids that conduct energy. What do you call is that? Or what part is that? Is it non-metal or metal? It is usually solids that conduct electricity.
Mm,
Is it non-metal or metal?
is metal.
Very good, Leon. Okay, what about it is an elements included gases such as hydrogen, oxygen, and solid such as carbon and sulfur.
Is non-metal.
Very good. It's non-metal. Okay, can you please give me the elements of or the example of elements based on the picture or our topic? Can you please give me four elements? Oh, sorry.
For element
Yeah,
is
the four elements that we discussed last time.
aluminum,
Aluminum. Wow, correct. Next,
is helium,
helium. Very good. What about next?
gold,
Gold. Okay, gold. And the last one is
Iron.
it's
Iron. Iron. Iron.
gutom na kay ko. It's calcium. Okay?
Yeah. Not sure.
Yeah. So we have here aluminum, calcium, helium, and gold. Okay. So can you give me what is aluminum, or like what do you call this? A small description of aluminum. What is aluminum?
Aluminum is the aluminum can be made into foil, cans, and airplane parts. It
Okay, very
does
good.
a metal.
Very good. So aluminum can be seen in a foil, cans, and airplane parts. And it is better because it doesn't rust like some metals. Very good, Lynn. How about calcium?
Calcium is found in rocks, living things, and milk.
So it helps make bones, teeth, and animal horns. Very good. So it is very important, or calcium is important because it helps build a strong bones and teeth. Okay, that's very good, Lynn. How about the helium?
Helium is used in party balloons because it's
Mm-hmm.
lighter than air, so it floats. A helium is made inside stars.
Okay, very good. So helium is a gas lighter than air. You can see it in a party balloons or inside stars. Wow, very good, Lynn. How about gold? What is gold?
The gold is found in its pure form in nature. It can be hammered into shape
Hammered.
with a hammer,
Okay,
hammer
hammered. Okay, very good.
into
Okay.
shapes with a
Okay,
magnet.
so okay, very good, Lynn. Thank you so much. So a valuable metal, gold, is found in its pure form in nature. It can be hammered into shapes without snapping. Very good. Example of gold, can you please give me?
Mm,
Example, where
I
can we see gold?
we can go jewelry.
Oh, jewelry. Very good, Lynn. Okay, so we are done with the elements. We have the aluminum, calcium, helium, and gold. Now let's proceed to the periodic table. Okay, do you know what is periodic table, Lynn? Do you have any
Oh yeah,
idea, or have you seen a periodic table?
I
Have you
can.
seen?
Yes.
Wow, okay. So what is a periodic table, Lynn?
Uh, the periodic table lists all the known elements into universe. There are
Okay.
more than 100 chemical elements and we keep finding more. All the elements have a symbol and are placed in groups according to how they behave and how many particles they have inside them.
Very good. Okay, the periodic table is a chart or a list where all elements are listed. Okay, for example, have you seen a periodic table?
Oh yes,
Yes, so this is a periodic table, right?
here.
Yes. Okay. So, if you seen a periodic table, can you give me the symbol of gold? Do you know the symbol of gold in a periodic table?
The symbol of gold in the periodic table is I think is AU.
It's AU. Wow, that's correct. It's AU. Gold. The symbol of gold is AU. Wow, very good, Lynn. Now, how about calcium?
Calcium is Ca.
Ca. Wow, very good. You got it right. Okay, how about aluminum? Aluminum.
Aluminum is Al.
Al. Okay. Wow, that's very good. Okay, so in a periodic table, we have also numbers, right?
Yes.
The atomic numbers. That's what we called atomic number. Its position in the table. Okay, for example, this one. H number 1. It means H is hydrogen, right?
Uh,
Okay. So in a periodic table, what position or what number is the calcium?
Number of calcium, mm, I think is I think is calcium
Okay, look at the
20.
Okay, very good. In the periodic table, calcium is number 20. Very good. How about the aluminum? Let's see the aluminum. What number is the aluminum in
Uh,
the periodic table?
uh, is uh 13.
Very good. It's 13. Wow, you're smart. Okay, what about or how about gold? What number is gold in the periodic table?
Gold is 7 79.
79. Very good. Okay, so gold is 79. Okay, wow, very good, Lynn. So nitrogen has the symbol. What is the symbol of nitrogen?
Is N.
Again,
Is N. No.
it's
Ni.
yes, very good. Nitrogen is Ni. How about uranium?
Uranium has the symbol U.
Very good. U is uranium. Okay, so here mercury is the only metal that is liquid at room temperature. Okay, so let's do a recap. Okay, let's have a game. Do you love games?
Uh, yes.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, so this is just a small recap and we make it as a game, okay? So, I'm light. This is riddle, okay? I'm light, shiny and float in balloons. Who am I? What is the answer? I'm light, shiny and float in balloons. Who am I?
Helium.
Helium, very good. Okay, so you drink me in milk and I make your bones strong. Who am I?
You are Calcium.
Calcium. Very good. Okay, what about this one? I'm soft, shiny, and worth a lot of money. So who am I?
Hmm. Can you repeat?
Okay, I will repeat the last activity. I am soft, shiny, and worth a lot of money. Who am I?
Uh,
What is this?
uh, is gold.
Yes, it's gold. Very good, Lian. Okay, now we are done with the elements. And I can say that you've learned a lot, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you so much. Now we are going to tackle about, or we are going to discuss about engineering. Okay, what is your dream profession, Lynn, or your dream career in the future? What do you want in the future?
I think I want to.
You want to be a
I want to be an officer.
you want to be a teacher?
Officer.
A
Officer.
fixer?
Officer.
Can you please write?
Oh, officer. Officer.
Officer.
Yes, officer.
Okay. So what kind of officer do you want?
Mm,
In the office
I
like
think.
that?
Um, I think I want to be officer. Relates to law.
You want to be an officer of what?
Of law.
Law?
LA.
Okay, okay, you want to be officer in law.
Yeah.
For example, a policeman like that?
Uh, yeah.
Wow, a policewoman. Okay, because you're a girl. Okay, a policewoman. Wow. Why do you want to be a policewoman?
Because um, because
Because
um
why? To protect
um
to protect the
uh,
people of Vietnam?
uh yeah. And
Wow. Wow, to serve your country, right?
yeah.
Wow, that's nice. Okay, that's nice. Nice to hear, Kim. Okay, here in our class, we are going to discuss about engineering. Are you familiar with engineering?
Mm, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so we have a lot of engineers, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, very good. Okay, so what is engineering, Kim? Can you please read?
Engineers use math and science to solve problems. They
Very good.
invent and create machines, building tools, and other useful inventions that make our lives easier. There are different types of engineers that specialize in different areas.
Okay, very good. Okay, please, can you please say lives?
Lives.
Okay, so engineers use math and science to solve problems. They invent and create machines, buildings, tools, and other useful inventions that our lives easier. Are you agree with that? Or do you agree with that?
Yes.
Yes, very good. There are different types of engineers that specialize in different areas. Okay, so even though I'd love to continue our class, but our time has come to an end. It's already 7:55, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So next time in our class we will discuss the different types of engineers, okay?
Yeah.
And what they do in the different areas. Okay. Kim, okay, Kim, it's already time. Thank you so much for attending our class. See you next time.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Okay, thank you. Have a good night also, Kim. Advance Merry Christmas.
Yeah. Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Advance Merry Christmas, Kim. Okay, see you next time. Did you learn something today?
Ah, yes.
Okay, very good. That's nice to hear. Okay, goodbye, Kim.
Goodbye.
Okay, goodbye. Have a good sleep. Goodbye.